In this video, we'll show you how to install tall cabinets, such as pantries and fridge cavities. Move the pantry into its approximate position and push it up against its neighbouring base cabinet. Level the pantry to the bottom of the base cabinet, then slide it across just over 20 mm to make way for the pantry end panel. Like the base end panels, the pantry end panel will protrude 20 mm past the front of the pantry cabinet. So it's a good idea to mark 20 mm back to assist with placement. Check if the end panel needs to be planed at the top or bottom. Once in position, clamp the end panel to the pantry, then pre-drill, countersink and fix from the inside of the pantry into the end panel with the 28 mm screws provided. When this is secure, push the pantry into position and clamp to the adjoining cabinet and fix accordingly. In our case here, you can move the fixing points back into the microwave cabinet to avoid any screws being seen. Repeat this for the other side of the pantry. Once the pantry is in its correct position and fixed to any neighbouring cabinets, fix to the wall using the 65 mm screws through the stud in a minimum of 3 locations. If you have a second pantry, follow the same process and use the first pantry as your guide to levels. If you've included a slimline cabinet to go above a fridge in your kitchen design, these will also need to be attached to pantry end panels and an adjoining solid surface. In this case, we've selected pantries to go on either side. It's important you have the help of another person for this task. Firstly, on the end panel, mark a line 20 mm back from the front where the cabinet will be positioned. Use this line to help in levelling the cabinet. Then, starting at one side and using the top of the pantry as a guide, line up, level and clamp the cabinet into position while someone else is safely holding the other end. As a tip, pre-drill and countersink the side panels of the cabinet before you start this to make the overall process easier. Then fix together using the 28 mm screws. Repeat this process for the other side. In the case of this kitchen, the second pantry has not been fixed to the wall yet to allow for the slimline cabinet to be easily installed. Recheck that the cabinet is sitting in the right position and is level, and then fix the second pantry to the wall. Follow the link below to see how to assemble soft close baskets.